Hi children, welcome back to our social class. So today we are going to see a new chapter in geography. It is the fifth chapter, okay? So what is the title of the chapter? Major domains of the earth. Okay, so we are going to see about the major domains of the earth. So earth is the only planet which has life, isn't it? So human beings can live here because what is the reason? Life sustaining elements. What are they? Land, water and air are present on the earth. Okay. So the surface of the earth is a complex zone. Okay. It is not very simple, in which three main components of the environment meet, overlap and interact. Okay. So we are going to see what are the three major layers. Okay. So did you see some bold words there? First one is lithosphere. The second layer is called atmosphere. And the next one is called hydrosphere. Okay. So now we shall see what is a lithosphere. Okay. So the solid portion of the earth on which we live is called lithosphere. So the land, okay, where we are living is called our lithosphere. Next, the gaseous layer that surround the earth, okay, is called the atmosphere. Okay, the air which is surrounding us, that layer is called your atmosphere. So what are the gases that you can see there? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and other gases. Okay, and the third one is called hydrosphere. So water, hydro means water. So the water covers a very big area of earth's surface. So this area is called your hydrosphere. Okay. So the hydrosphere comprises water in all its form. That is ice, water and water vapor. Okay. So what are the three layers once again? Lithosphere. That is your solid portion. Atmosphere. That is gaseous layer. And the third one is hydrosphere, which is the water covering. Okay. So now another term is called biosphere. Okay. So biosphere is a narrow zone. Okay. It is a very narrow zone where we find land, water and air together, which contains all forms of life. Okay. So biosphere contains land, water and air together. It is a narrow zone of land, water and air together, which contain all forms of life. Okay. So now we shall see about the first one, which is called lithosphere. What is the first one called? Lithosphere. Okay. So lithosphere is the solid portion of the earth. Okay. It is the solid portion of the earth. It comprises the rocks of the earth's crust and the thin layer of soil that contain nutrient elements which sustain organism. Okay. So it is comprising of the rocks of the earth's surface and thin layer of soil. Okay. So there are mainly two divisions of the earth's surface. Okay. So the large landmass are known as continent. What is the large landmass known as? Continents. And the huge water bodies are called ocean basins. Okay. So the two main divisions of your earth's surface are continents and ocean basins. Okay. Next line. All the oceans of the world are connected with one another. Okay. So when you look at the map, you will understand it. Okay. Now the level of sea water remains the same everywhere. So everywhere the level of the water, sea water is same. So elevation of land is measured from the level of the sea. Okay. So we are measuring the elevation of land with reference to the level of sea, which is taken as 0. Okay. So here in the map you can see the different continents and the different oceans. Okay. You can see the Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean and different continents. Okay. Your Asia, Australia, Europe, Africa, South America, North America. Okay. Just go through the map, children. So the highest mountain peak. Which is the highest mountain peak? Yes, Mount Everest. Okay. Tell me children, which is the highest mountain peak? Mount Everest. It is 8,814 48 meters above the sea level. So what is the height? 8,848 meters above the sea level. So the greatest depth of 11,022 meters is recorded at Mariana Trench in Pacific Ocean. Okay. So with this today we shall complete our class. The remaining we'll see in the next class. Read the lesson thoroughly, children. Thank you. Take care. Be safe and be happy.